Morning students. Have all the students seen the samosa? Do you know the shape of samosa? Yes, the shape is triangle. May I ask you a few questions? How many sides is in a triangle? How many sides? There are 3 sides. Next, how much is obtained by the sum of the 3 angles of a triangle? The sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Next, what is the external angle? Example, what is the external angle? The external angle is sum of opposite 2 interior angles. Correct, you are right. Now we are going to look at that concurrent triangles. Already you have learned triangles. Today we are going to learn concurrent triangles. This is our geometry shape. Circle, rhombus. Next, pentagon, triangle, hexagon, heptagon, parallelogram, square, rectangle, oval shape. Okay. Next, you see the topic concurrent triangle. Consider 2 given triangles. Consider 2 given triangles P, Q, R, and another one triangle name is A, B, C. That are concurrent. Concurrent symbol means that one is. Okay, consider 2 given triangles B, Q, R, and another one triangle's name is A, B, C. BQ is same of AB. Compare the 2 triangles BQ the same of AB. 2 centimeter means BQ is 2 centimeter means AB are also 2 centimeter. Next, PR is 3 centimeter means AC is also 3 centimeter. QR 5 centimeter means BC are also 5 centimeter. Okay. So angle of side means BQ is equal to AB, BR is equal to AC, QR is equal to BC. Next you compare the angles means angle of B is equal to angle of A. Angle of Q is equal to angle of B. Angle of R is equal to angle of C. So triangle of PQR means triangle of PQR concurrent of triangle of ABC. There are 4 ways. First way, side, yes. Side. Triangle means there are 3 sides. Side concurrents. Second one, side, angle, side concurrents. Third one, angle, side, angle concurrents. Fourth one, right hand side. Right hand side means right angle, hypotenuse side. Okay. First one, side. Given 2 triangles. Example, to make you understand easily, we produce 2 identical books. What will be the pages of that book look like? Both triangle is concurrence. Produce, அதாவது 2 புக்கு ஒரே சேம் மெத்தடில் நம்ம தயார் பண்ணுறோம். அதனுடைய பக்கங்கள் அதனுடைய எல்லாமே சேம். ஸோ போத் ஆர் சேம் மீன்ஸ் கன்கரன்ஸ். If first one, the triangle's name is ABC. First one is both sides are same and another one sides are same. Third sides are also same. Given side. Side uses of 2 triangles. If the 3 sides of a triangle ABC, 3 sides of a triangle are concurrent to the 3 sides of another one triangles. Okay. AB are also equal of PQ. AB, concurrent AB equal of PQ, AC equal of PR, BC equal of QR. So triangle ABC concurrent of triangle PQR. First one side, side. 3 sides are equal. First 1, 2, 3. Next second one side, angle, side concurrence. Next you draw any two triangles ABC, PQR. Two side, 1, 2 side, 1 angle, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Okay, next side, angle, side. If two sides and the included angle, two sides and included then one angle. So next compare AC is one side, AC is equal to PQ. Next angle, first one side means AC equal PQ. Next angle of A equal of angle of B. Next side AB equal of BR. Side, angle, side. AC is one side, angle of A is angle, AB is another one of side. Next, hence triangle of AB, triangle of ACB, triangle of ACB concurrent of PQR. Third one, first one side, second one side, angle, side, third one angle, side, angle. First one both are 3 sides, second one 2 side, 1 angle, third one only 1 side, 2 angles. You draw any two triangles. Okay, ABC. AC is one side, angle of A and angle of C is angle. Next RPQ, angle of B and angle of R is angle. Okay, if two angles and their included side of a triangle are concurrent, two angles and included of one side. Next AC equal of RP, AC equal of RP. Next angle of C equal of angle of B, angle of A equal of angle of R. So therefore hence angle of ACP, angle of ABC concurrent of RQP, angle of ABC concurrent of RQP. Fourth one RHS. RHS means right hand side. Right hand side means right angle hypotenuse side. So one right angle means that one is right angle. This value is hypotenuse. This is denoted by hypotenuse. Side, that one is right angle. This one is side, hypotenuse. Side, hypotenuse, right angle means denoted by 90 degree. Denoted by 90 degree. You draw two right angle triangle. PQR. Q is 90 degree. RP is hypotenuse. Next angle of AC, angle of ACB or BCA. Angle of B is 90 degree. Angle of BC is one angle. AC is hypotenuse. Next you write angle of B is equal to angle of Q. Angle of B is equal to angle of Q. Hypotenuse AC is equal to hypotenuse RP. Hypotenuse means AC equal to RP. Next side BC BCRQ. Hence, triangle of ABC concurrent triangle of PQR. I think now you are all understand. Next, shall we go to the next sums? Example 5.1. Find the unknowns in the following figures. First one, second, third. You find out to find A, B, C. All the sums. First sum find A, B, C. Second sum P, Q, R. Third sum are also A, B, C. First one, given. Find out of A, B, C. Given B is equal to 70 degree. To find angle of A and angle of C. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of true opposite interior angles. The exterior angle value is 140 degrees exterior angle. Exterior angle means outside of angle. So that one, this one is compare the triangles. That one is exterior angle. Exterior angles, the sum of two opposite. 140 degree opposite angle is angle of B, angle of C. The sum of two opposite two interior angles. Sum means addition. So 70 degree plus Y is equal to exterior angle value is equal to 140 degree. 70 degree plus Y is equal to 140 degree. 70 degree opposite side going to minus. So 140 degree minus 70 degree. 140 degree subtracted of 70 degree, the value is 70 degree. Therefore, Y value is equal to 70 degree. Y means angle of C. Angle of Z is equal to 70 degree. First one, angle of B is equal to, already given for angle of B value 70 degree. To find angle of C Y value is 70 degree. Next, you find out the A value. Next, the sum of three angles. The sum of three angles are 180 degree. Angle of A, angle of B, angle of C is equal to 180 degree. Angle of A is equal to Z. Angle of B 70 degree. Angle of Z are also 70 degree. 70 plus 70, 140 degree. Angle of A plus 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. 140 going to opposite side minus. So angle of A is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. 180 subtracted of 140 is equal to 40 degree. So therefore angle of A is equal to 40 degree. To find angle of A is equal to 40 degree, angle of B is equal to 70 degree, angle of C is equal also 70 degree. 70 plus 70, 140. 140 plus 40, 180 degree. So sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, next second sum, angle of BQR. Angle of BQR. Angle of B is equal to 50 degree. Angle of B is equal to 50 degree. Next, angle of BQ and angle of B are also same. BQ 5 cm means B are also same 5 cm. So BQ is angle of X. That value is X. Next PR, the value is Y. Same means that value is X means next BR value is equal to same X. Okay. Now PR, PQ is equal to BR. PQ is equal to Q value is X. PR value is equal to Y. Therefore, angle of X denoted the value of angle of Y. Angle of X, angle of Y. Angle of angle of P, angle of Q, angle of R is equal to 180 degree. Angle of B is equal to 50 degree. Angle of Q is equal to X. Next, both are same. So, angle of R are also X. Angle of X plus y value is denoted by x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x, so 2 into angle of x is equal to 50 degree, opposite side goes to minus, so 180 degree minus 50 degree, 130 degree. 2 angle of x is equal to 130 degree. To find the value of x, so multiplication opposite side goes to divide. 130 degree divided by 2, therefore x value is equal to 65 degree. X value are also 65 degree means same, y value are also 65 degree. 65 plus 65, 130, 130 plus 50, 180 degree. So sum of 3 angles equal to 180 degree. Next, third sum, angle of A, angle of B, angle of C, not given the value. Okay, so opposite angles are equal. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal means angle of A is equal to vertically opposite angles are also y. Angle of A vertically opposite angles means y. Angle of B vertically opposite angles are also y. Angle of C, that value is ya, and another one vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So similarly, angle of A is equal to y, angle of B is equal to y, angle of Z is equal to y. Sum of 3 angles is equal to 180 degree. Angle of A plus angle of B plus angle of C is equal to 180 degree. Angle of A value ye, angle of B value ye, C value there also ye is equal to 180 degree. How many times repeated of y? 3 times. 3 into y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore y value to find. So multiplication opposite side goes to divide. Multiple of 3, opposite side divide of 3. 180 degree divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. 6 3s are 18, 0. Therefore y value is equal to 63. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore y is equal to 60 degree. Find the x value. To find the x value, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. X, y. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. To find the x value. Therefore y value means consider 60 degree. X plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Addition opposite side going to subtraction. So plus 60 degree opposite side minus 60 degree. 180 degree minus 60 degree. X is equal to 120 degree. Therefore x value is equal to 120 degree. Y value is equal to 60 degree. I think now you are all understand better than before with the examples. So no? Okay. Next homework. You study and write concurrent of triangles. There are 4 ways. First one side, side, side. Second one side, angle, side. Third one angle, side, angle. Fourth one right hand side or HS. You study and write in your note. Thank you, students.